Okay, we gotta talk about these contact lenses. Hi everyone, miss me? I'm sure you did. For all of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette. Welcome to our channel. If you've been watching me for a while, thank you so much for watching. Now let's jump right into this review of the Hapakristin Solitary Kristin and Peaceful Kristin colored contact lenses. So keep on watching. Now here is what the contact lenses look like in natural light, room lighting, and with artificial lighting, both for the Solitary Kristin first and then the Peaceful Kristin next. Okay, so what do you guys think? Let me know your honest thoughts on these colored contact lenses in the comment section down below. I've reviewed Hapakristin's colored contact lenses before. I will link previous videos in the description box as well as up above in the card so you can check them out and get a feel for the company and see what kind of colored contact lenses they provide. They did give me a discount code. I'm going to put it up on the screen right here as well as in the description box, and I'll pin a comment in the comment section. So if you are interested in trying out these lenses, then make sure you click on the link and just use the discount code if you would like, and enjoy the lenses. Now, here are what the lenses look like. Now, here are the specs for both of the lenses. And make sure you check out Hapakristin's website because they have plenty of different colored contact lenses for any style or for any mood that you are in. Now let me tell you which ones I like and which ones I didn't like, and show you up close shots as I usually do for both of the lenses. Now for the ones that I like, I would have to say that I liked the Peaceful Kristin colored contact lenses more because they were more brown colored and they go with my own natural eyes. The thing I didn't like about them, obviously, is that they resemble my own eyes too much, and they actually are a little bit darker than my own natural eyes. So if you're looking for a brightening and a lighter effect for colored contact lenses, or for brown colored contact lenses, these are not going to give you that effect. They do give me a nice, deep, soulful look, and I do like how they look with this eye makeup that I have on right now. I think they do look very soulful, and like I have deep, deep eyes, you know what I mean? So I do like that effect, but if I'm looking for, if I want to wear them and make my eyes appear a little bit brighter or lighter, then these are not the colored contacts. They are very, very natural looking, I will say, and they are very, very comfortable. I haven't had any issues so far with their colored contact lenses. Their lenses are very, very comfortable. Now let's get into the pair that I didn't like so much, which are the Solitary Kristin contact lenses. I didn't like these contacts because they were way too bright. They look like I'm wearing colored contact lenses. They don't look natural, and you guys know how much I love a natural colored contact lens. I love natural lenses because it can almost like pass for my own eyes, or if the colored contacts are like my eyes but just a little bit lighter or just a little bit brighter, then that's the color contact lenses that I like. But these lenses made them almost like too bright. I felt like a vampire or a reptile with these colored contacts. So they weren't really my shade of colored contact lenses, but maybe one of you will like them. Let me know in the comment section down below which of these two were your favorite, or let me know which ones you're interested in purchasing, or maybe you're not interested in purchasing. I always put all of the specifications and everything for these contact lenses in the description box down below, so make sure you click on it if you want to see more about the contact lenses and get more info about them. So let me know what you all think about these lenses. I am going to wrap up the Hapakristin's colored contact lenses that they sent me with the blue and gray color next, and then I will move on to whichever colored contact lenses you all suggest. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below. I love reading what you all think. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to stay safe and stay healthy out here. Don't forget to also give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot, and I really, really do appreciate it. Thank you all so much. If you want to look and feel beautiful, know about the latest fashion trends, keep up with the beauty community news as well as me, and live a fun and healthy lifestyle, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click the bell notification to be notified of when I upload. I upload every Sunday and Monday, and sometimes I might give an extra video also throughout the week. Thank you so much. Follow me on my socials. I usually put them throughout my video. We did reach 10K on Instagram, so I'm super, super excited and thankful. Make sure you go follow me over there. I'll put my handle right here. And thank you for everything. I will see you all very soon, and I'll check you out in my next video. Bye!